In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do pre-order on Shopify, tutorial pre-order app setup. By the end, you'll have a pre-order flow running with a dedicated app and know exactly where to manage it inside your Shopify admin. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin and heading to the home dashboard to get oriented. From the left sidebar, open Apps. This is where you'll search the Shopify App Store for the tool we need. In the search box, type something like Essential Pre-order or Pre-order Back in Stock, and open the listing for Essential Pre-order, Pre-order Back in Stock. On the app page, follow the highlighted prompts to begin adding the app to your store. Click the Add or Install buttons as they appear. Shopify will guide you through a quick confirmation. Click Install again to approve. On the pricing screen, take a moment to review the details. You'll notice the Built for Shopify badge, which is a good indicator of performance and compatibility. Choose the plan that fits your needs by clicking Select Plan, then confirm with Accept to finalize. You can upgrade or downgrade later as your pre-order volume changes. Once the app loads, you'll land on its home area. If you ever get stuck, look for the I Need Help option. It opens up support resources directly within the app. Next, open the Setup Guide. This is the fastest path to getting your first pre-order live. If you see the Setup Guide again within a section, click it to continue. The guide often appears in multiple places to keep you on track. Now create your first pre-order or back-in-stock campaign. Click the Create Campaign option and follow the on-screen prompts. The app will walk you through selecting the products you want to accept pre-orders for and preparing the storefront messaging. After creating it, use the tool to confirm the app is working properly. This step verifies the pre-order button, labels, and any cart alerts are displaying as expected on your storefront theme. Finally, get familiar with the campaigns dashboard. This is where you'll manage your campaigns going forward. You'll return here to edit messaging, pause or resume a pre-order, and review performance. If anything looks off, head back to the app's home or the help area and reopen the setup guide for quick adjustments. That's it. You went from the Shopify home dashboard into Apps, found and installed Essential Pre-order, selected a plan, ran through the setup guide, created your first campaign, confirmed everything works, and reached the place where you'll manage all future pre-orders. Save your changes as you go, and you'll be ready to accept orders even